Okay, so here we go. The problem is x equals y plus 4 and 2x plus 3y equals 43. So the first step in solving systems equations, we talked about it yesterday, but I didn't write it up there, so I decided to write it up there today, is find the easiest variable to solve for. Which variable is the easiest to get by itself? Well, in this problem, the x in that first equation, because it's already by itself. So I don't have to do anything else to it. So for the first step, I'm going to choose that x, because that's the easiest one to solve for, because it's already solved for. Okay? So, second step. Begin substituting what you know into find values you do not know. Well, what I know is x equals y plus 4. What I know is x equals y plus 4. That means I can take y plus 4 and plug it in for x in that second equation. And please stop talking, guys. Hey, ladies, also, please stop talking. Alright, so once you have decided which variable to solve for, make sure that the variable is by itself. Then substitute what it's equal to in for the other equation. Please stop talking. Alright, next step, get the y by itself. So I need to distribute that 2, so I get rid of parentheses. Okay, so 2 times y is 2y. 2 times 4 is 8. Plus 3y equals 43. I'm guessing some of y'all don't care, but there's a lot of you losing your agency points left and right at this point. So all I did on that green step was distribute the 2. So that's everything else the same. Next step, I need to combine like terms. So the 2y plus 3y is 5y. Everything else stays just like it is. And now to get y, it's just a 2-step equation. So what is the next step? Subtract 8. There you go. Subtract 8 from here and here. So 5y equals 35. So what does y equal? Y equals 7. So you have to divide by 5. And so again, once you've got one variable, that's half of the solution, but you've done about 3/4 of the work. So actually more than that on this problem. So once you know one of the values, we go back, look at step 2 again. It says begin substituting what you know in to find the values you do not know. So we know that y equals 7. So I can plug that 7 in for y in that first equation. So I'm going to say x equals 7 plus 4. So x equals 11. So my solution is 11, 7. Okay. So here's what you have. You've got like 3 or 4 examples worked out. You also have two examples worked out on the agenda they're like example 1 and 2, I think, but it's from a book, but it's featured on the agenda from today and yesterday. And then you have 15 problems we're working on. So you have, right now you have about 12 more minutes in class today, which means you need to get started on that. If you have questions, ask. But everybody should be working. Talking should not be happening. Okay? The only thing you may have your computers out for is to look at the assignment, but I'm going to put the assignment up on the board also. Okay? You're not going to be looking up anything else, not working other classwork. Okay? You have an assignment to work on in here. Okay?